Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of this shipment from Trinity Stamps. Now they sent me these goodies, full disclosure, but I'm so excited to jump in and play with them. So this is probably going to be mainly just the unboxing. I might demo one of the things, but do stay tuned and watch for future videos where I use these awesome products with my card making. So I'll link everything in the video description box below. But look at this packaging. How pretty is that? This gorgeous teal. Anyway, I'm going to pull out what I ordered. Oh my gosh. There's a stroopwafel in here and tea. Are you kidding me? How cool is this? That is awesome. Look at that little fun addition. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got. First off, I didn't realize they had their own little action wobblers, whatever you want to call them. But I am running a little low on them, and I love to have these. Whoa, this is serious, this little pouch. But these are kind of the mini ones. They have the adhesive on the one side and actually adhesive on both sides. There's like the thicker plastic, and you get this little spring action. So that's what makes your little critters bounce on your cards. So this is their brand of them, which is cool because, like I said, I needed more of them. There's 10 of them in here. So this is a little 10-pack. This was one of the first things that I saw. I was really excited about this. Oh my gosh, I totally cut the top off when I was opening the package. Be careful of that when you're opening the package because it was right on the edge. But luckily, it's how I cut the packaging anyway. Anyway, I'll show you that in a moment. This is the Dainty Scallop Rectangles die set. So this works with A2 size. I'm trying to see if it shows me the sizes here at all. Let me grab an A2 card base a moment to show you. You can see it's just almost exactly A2 size. It fits right underneath there. So this biggest one is probably going to cover like nearly the full size. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them in here. So I'm really excited. So you can see it cuts. It's not a border only. It's going to actually cut a panel and then put this cool little edging on it. So again, maybe I'll demo this so you can visualize it. I know it might make it a little hard to imagine. This is another thing that I think I'd like to demo for you. So do stick around to the end. I might pop back on and show you after I die cut so you can visualize. But this, oh, I love dies like this. So look, it's got 2 dies here. So it's got the outside edge if you want it to cut out a freestanding circle like this that you want to attach to your card. Otherwise, if you do just the inner portion, it's going to cut this gorgeous design out of your piece of paper without just having a freestanding circle. So I absolutely love cutout ones like this. This is called Blooming Circle Window. I love it. I absolutely love designs like this. I think they're so cool. And like I said, I'll show you on a demo. It'll make more sense. Okay, and then finally, this is the one I accidentally cut the top off, but like I said, that's how I open them anyway. This is one of the new ones. It is so cute. I'm so excited to color this. It's called This Calls for a Toast. Y'all know I love puns. There's so many cute critters and punny things, not only just in this release, but in the shop. I have other products from Trinity that I've bought before, like their cute little bat stamp set. Adorable. I can't remember the different things I have. I know I have some of their like stamp and die sentiments, like the thanks set, really cool. Just lots of cool stuff in this shop. If you're not familiar with the small business, be sure to check them out. Like I said, I'll link everything below. But look at this. This is a toast stamp with an optional little face and then a toaster. And it says another one bites the crust, a toast to, and you could do the happy couple, your achievement, your new baby, your success, your new job, the newlyweds, retirement, better days, for butter or worse. You're my butter half. The best is yet to crumb. This calls for a toast. The new year, you're my jam. I love that. The host. So cute. So many different sentiments to go with these adorable stamps. I love that they're kind of big. because they'll be easy and fun to color, and they'll make a nice focal point on a card. So like I said, on this release this month, there's lots of really cute stuff. Like there's a cheese stamp, has all these different cute smiling or sad cheeses, and I don't know, it's just hilarious. Super fun punny stamp sets to go with it. So be sure to check out Trinity Stamps. This is what I ordered. Like I said, loads of stuff in the shop, and how cool on these little freebies. So hang tight 1 second, I'll demo these and come back on. Okay, I separated this out. There are a couple little connection points, so you will probably want to use some metal snips to get in between the little connection points to separate these dies out. But this is so cool. This is what I wanted to show you. So you can see it doesn't cut just the border. It cuts the full panel of that size with this border. So you could use this as is on your card, or I cut down a panel here. This is 1/2 inch off of A2 size. So this is 5 inches by 3 3/4, and you can see it fits almost perfectly in this center portion. So if you wanted to layer up panels and things like that, these would be really fun to do multiple layers, sizing down with maybe rainbow colors or something fun like that. So I don't have anything in my stash like this, so I was very excited. I thought this was kind of unique and different. So that is the rectangle die set. Now I wanted to show you this, because you have options here. So what I was saying is you have 2 little pieces here. Now these again come together connected, but you can use your little snips, or I was actually able to twist it just to kind of get it separated. It wasn't difficult. So if you wanted it a freestanding, then you would do these together. Again, you would just kind of figure out how to, wow, I'm special here. Hold on. Let me get this sorted. Okay, so then you would just kind of like flip them over and line them up, and then tape them together if you want to use them together. Just make sure the margin is even. And then you would use it as like one die to get this freestanding piece. So you could use this maybe, or you could probably use this to do a shaker. Like you could cut out a piece of just this to create, you know, like a white background piece to attach to it. And then do, you know, some acetate in here, and then maybe just kind of like put a little bit of foam around the edge, or do a bunch of layers of this maybe. And you could raise it up and make it like a freestanding shaker. Or obviously you can make this a shaker. This is what you get with the cutout, which is what I'm more drawn to, because I just think this is so cool. Look at that detail. You even get little detail impressions here from the die. I did not use a metal shim, and I was able to use my little Judy tool and poke out the little bits with no issue at all in my Spellbinders Platinum 6. So you absolutely can use a metal shim, but it's not needed. These cut beautifully. So this by itself will cut out just this cut-in opening. So you could do this on the front of a card, or you could even just do it cut directly into a card base and leave it, and then maybe do some ink blending on the inside to transfer that color outward. Or like I said, you can get a freestanding little die cut if you combine the two together. So stoked about this. Thank you so much to Trinity for sending this to me. Like I said, I'll link everything below if you want to, you know, check any of it out in the shop. And yeah, that's about it. Just watch for future projects with these goodies, because I am stoked. So thanks for spending time with me. I'll catch you next time. Bye. Hiya, just kidding. We're not done. Here's some bonus content for you if you're still here. Thank you. This is the thanks set I was telling you about. I believe it's still in the shop. I'll link it if it is. Simply Sentimental Thanks. This is the stamp and then the coordinating die. But what's cool about the coordinating die is you can use the dies, some of the dies, like on their own. See, they have a shadow layer and the inner portion. So I actually used those, and I finished a couple cards here. So this one with the cutout, I just used one of the dies around it, and then I used the thanks from this, and then I also used You Are So Thoughtful from the stamp set. on the inside. I have the same stamp on this, and then this was just the freestanding one in the red panel that I showed you, and a different one of the things from this. And then I matched a red ink. So that's it. Couple super quick, cool cutout cards with these new goodies. I'm excited to play with the rest. So like I said, if you want to know when I post new content and watch for more videos using these goodies, be sure to hit the notification bell. If you enjoyed this, hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.